What do we have in store today?
We're going to talk about the load and go system on the Spartan. We're going to dive inside the machine and tell you what exactly the system is and why it makes it the fastest loading sink machine in the industry.
Let's start simple. What is the load and go system?
So we'll start off with the pop-up roller conveyor that holds many of these all-way rollers for easy part moving. We have the Y-datum rollers in the back that helps you guide your part in and get it aligned. We have a laser line up here that will help you mark the center line of your sink. And then we also have these adjustable vacuum cups that easily slide back and forth so you can accommodate many different size sinks and parts.
So it's kind of like a line machine and a router put into one. Some machines use a mix of conveyors and aluminum tables. How is the Spartan different?
Okay, Rocky, so one thing to note on the aluminum tables is that they are prone to pitting, they're prone to oxidization, and they are also prone to denting. And if you have seen the ball drop video we did with the Titan, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. When you have any of those three, that leads to suction loss. And with Spartan, you don't have suction loss.
I've heard some of those aluminum bed sink machines described as awkward in-betweeners, not big enough to unlock full router potential, but still lacking some of the key features that the Spartan sink and seam machine has.
I think that's a very fair statement, Rocky. If you want to unlock that full potential of a router, you would obviously get a Titan. But if you want the fastest dedicated sink and seam machine in the market, the Spartan is the answer for that. When I roll a part in and I want to roll it through the machine, there's no awkward space in here where I would have to lift it up and move it to get it into place. This will truly glide in, glide out.
What about sink machines that use clamps instead of vacuum cups like the Spartan?
We went with cups because we don't have as many limiting factors of what I can run. So if I don't have clamps, that means I could run mitered parts on this machine as well. And another downside of clamps is it can also chip or damage your nicely finished edges on your parts before you even get them off the sink machine.
Okay, how big of a miter can we do?
We could accept up to a 4-inch glued up miter on this machine.
Wow.
You're like,
wow. What is the best way to load the Spartan?
So there really is no best way, but we have multiple options. So you could load in from the left side of the machine, you could load in from the right side of the machine, you could even load in from the front of the machine. And one thing I like to point out is we have this 100-inch door opening with no cross member in the way here. So that means if I'm using a crane or a forklift, that I can easily bring a part in, I have no restriction, and I could have a part on a vacuum lifter that I can easily get set into place.
So the Spartan's really flexible as far as which way we want to load it, how we want to bring material in to handle it.
You can stack up jobs and be a truly high production shop.
On sink cutouts, I see we have this drop-away door. Can you explain that a little bit?
So when you're processing your sink cutouts on the Spartan, as soon as the sink cutout is done milling out, your sink cutout will drop right down into here, which underneath we have a scrap collection bin that is forklift friendly, so I can easily move this in and out as it gets full. It allows us to run a cycle that will be unattended.
So no pausing the cycle to pull out a sink blank, no wrestling the part because we're going to have those rollers up when we glide our pieces in. Really makes it pretty simple. I think we need to see actually how easy it is to handle a part.
Let's go grab Colleen. She's our front desk receptionist that is the friendly voice when all the customers call in and they get to talk to her for a little bit. Let's see if she can do it.
Brian, has she even ever loaded a stone machine before?
Not to my knowledge, but I think we'll be just fine with how easy the Spartan is to load and set up.
Let's go get her.
Okay.
We have a couple questions for you.
Okay.
Brian?
Well, Rocky wanted to know if you've ever run a stone machine before.
No, I have not.
Okay. I reassured him that I think you would be a great candidate just to come display how easy it is to load the Spartan. Would you want to help us out?
Sure, I can help you out.
Okay, Colleen. I'll give you this.
So we're at the Spartan. So what I'm going to have you do is we're going to pick a sink, and then we're going to have you bring the part in, line up the center line, and then we'll just show you how easy it is. So we'll go ahead. So just double tap. That's the sink we're going to run. And we're going to say add to queue. And then we can click this X to close out of the screen. Go to our operate screen. And then you'll see the sink that's sitting in the job queue. So we can say load the program. We'll say yes. And then we'll go to our setup screen. And we're gonna click on the locate sink center. We'll say yes, and then the machine will move and turn the laser on for us. And now, Colleen, all you have to do is you have to take the part that's on the conveyor on the left side there. We're gonna roll it in. And then there's a mark for the center that we're gonna make sure that we line up with the laser, and then just push it up against the white rollers in the back.
I'm ready to go. Let's try it. Okay, here we go.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Oh, that's way easier than I thought.
So all you're gonna do now is you're gonna click the lower material button,
Okay.
and then now we'll turn the vacuum on and we'd be ready to run.
Okay. Well, that wasn't that hard at all.
No, it was super easy. You did a fantastic job.
Thank you. Do I have a new job?
All right, Rocky, that's the load and go system. Now you can see just why we are so excited about this.
Absolutely, Brian. She made that look effortless. And for shops that are doing sinks by hand, this can reduce that labor and the heavy lifting by up to 95%. This is what we would call a game changer.
Thank you for joining us on Inside the Machine, and we will see you next time.